dbrand made one of the best phone cases I've ever seen. It's aesthetic, it's functional, and what is it called? Ghost case. Even that name is cool. They promised it wouldn't be like any other transparent case. No yellowing ever. They were so confident they offered a lifetime replacement guarantee. But there was a problem. It scratched way too easily. Here's mine. I mean, you can see it's quite bad. So dbrand, listen, they upgraded the ghost case. It's now anti-yellowing and anti-scratch. But here's the kicker. Everyone who bought the original case got a free upgrade. Yup, dbrand proved that they don't only care about profits, but they actually care about their customers. Here's one of the emails they sent out nearly a year ago. They let the customers know what's going on. Here's a picture of one of the original cases and then one of version 2 that they were testing. It took a while, but they finally shipped it to me. And here it is. I'm excited to unbox it, so let's get into it. So let's get to opening. I should say this, dbrand gave you the option to actually order the case for a different phone. So I bought my original case for an iPhone 15 Pro Max. But let's say I'd upgraded to an iPhone 16, I would have been able to just get the case for that. But also if I switched to a Samsung or a Google Pixel, they still would have had me covered. So here is the Ghost Case 2.0. As you can see, it looks quite similar to the Ghost Case 1.0, which I ordered also, and I saved the box because I just like that. Okay, I'm gonna read this later. But as you can see, they look very similar except for the engraving. I think it's faded for this one. I might have some footage if I do from when I unboxed version 1. I'm gonna put it in now. But I think it's just faded over time. And here's the 2.0. Let's open it. Ooh, that's actually very similar to the 1.0. Because it came in a very similar packaging. I still have even the protective film that came on top. Now to take it out. Yup, that feels so good. Here's the version 1 case. As you can see, they look very similar. Obviously this one is very scratched up now, as you might be able to see here. As you can also see that it's more protective now. They've changed the design quite a bit, I guess. Yeah, as you can see all around. So the rubber bumper is just a full encasing now. Before you used to be able to see the transparent back. This part is very similar. Oh wait, I just realized something. So the magnetic ring, there's a slight bump in V1. That doesn't exist in V2. As you can see, it's flat. I'm gonna remove this so you can see it properly. There's no ridge that comes out. But as you can see with V1, there's a slight bump. I quite like this, but I also get this that, you know, they want it to be kind of flat. There's also film on the inside. That's why you probably can see some bubbles. Yeah, let's go. So like I said, the V1 had quite a few scratches. It didn't yellow ever like they promised, so I have no reason to believe that this is going to scratch as easily, and obviously it's not going to go yellow because they already had it right in the V1. I'm going to get this away for now. Or even this film feels better for some reason. Okay, so that was the Ghost Case V2 in there. Now let's read what they included in the box. Nearly a year ago, we launched the Ghost Case. It was the most successful failure we ever put into the world. So confident, in fact, that we think your friend with a yellow $10 Amazon clear case would like a Ghost as well. Hand them this card, the QR code will take 10% off the Ghost order. Okay, I just realized this part might have to be blurred out. So I guess this could be sort of a giveaway. If someone wants this code, leave a comment and I'll just randomly pick someone, I guess. 10% off your order. Like this said, the camera protection is better. Let's kind of compare it. Okay, so I didn't notice this before. The V1 has a very prominent black encasing around the camera. V2 doesn't. Tactability and stuff, I'll have to put my phone in to check that later, I guess. Also, I was able to bundle some accessories when ordering the Ghost 2.0 and get a 15% off. The dbrand offered it to everyone. So I got some Prism 2.0 screen protectors. They call it an idiot-proof screen protector because of how easy it is to put on. And as you can see, even the screen protectors come in a very premium packaging. So this is 2.0, and I ordered screen protectors from them before also. Here's the box for that. As you can see, it's been upgraded quite a bit. I'm gonna keep this aside for now. You can read instructions, I suppose. Okay. I mean, this looks so premium. If someone shipped me a phone like this, like that's a good packaging for a phone. For a screen protector, that's a little overkill. It's designed to flawlessly install your screen protector. In order to do this, installation tray must device. This is just whatever jargon. The Prism 2.0 installation tray seems a little wasteful, but from what I've seen, it really is idiot proof, so they get a pass for it, I suppose. And they, I think, send two. Yeah, there's the second one. And there's a whole cleaning kit and everything included. I'm just gonna open the first screen protector box also to kind of show you what it's like. So as you can see, it's very similar the way it opens up. And I'm just now realizing that I never actually ended up using these screen protectors because I take care of my phone a lot, so it, I guess, never broke. But yeah, I have two from before, now I have two. I guess I need to break my screen protector so that I can use 4 before I upgrade to another phone, I guess. Also, they gave stickers and stuff in here. Let's see if there are any in this one. Yup, no stickers at least. I forgot what you call this, but you get a similar thing in V1. I'll show you. It's differently shaped, but it's the same thing. It's to get air bubbles out. You kind of press on it and, you know, slide the air bubbles out. But yeah, you get it in both. Just no stickers in the 2.0, but very premium packaging. The idiot-proof thing, very good, I guess. I'm just gonna keep this stuff away. So anyway, now I'm gonna switch my camera so that I can put the case onto my phone. Okay, so here's my iPhone 15 Pro Max. And let's put the thing in. Okay, now that looks good. Okay, now checking it with MagSafe. That's good, that's very good. It doesn't fall off. Yeah, as you can see, I'm shaking it around. Yeah, it's perfect. And it feels good, feels premium, just like V1, but I'm sure it's not gonna scratch as easily, so you've got that going. So here are both the cases, they look very similar. Okay, so I said it before, I'll say it again, this case is amazing. dbrand is not a cheap place to buy from, but that also means if you have a problem, they'll solve it for you like that. So now it's anti-yellowing, it's anti-scratch, it's MagSafe compatible, it's protective, and it's made with quality materials. I mean, just get it, I'm sure you'll love it. I've bought phone cases and skins and a bunch of other random things from them too. I've never been let down. The next thing on my list is actually PS5 dark plates, so I guess that's gonna be fun. Anyway, leave a comment if you want a chance to get the 10% off thing. But for now, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. PS out.